What's up? We in downtown Disney, aka Disney Springs.
Yep. Check out the view.